Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So guys, we have lot of job openings that is giving greater CTCs to discuss in this video. I hope you'll be watching this and applying it at the earliest as possible because anytime the company can withdraw the link. Okay, so we'll be discussing systems engineer role, full stack developer role, data engineer role, software engineering role. So all these roles are not for any one particular graduation. It is acceptable or it is for many type of graduates. Okay, most of you can apply to it, and also the technology that they want you to know or the eligibility criteria is very minimal, no percentage criteria and all. So many of you can apply. Your skills are just needed to apply to this. We'll see that in detail. Okay, so first let me start with the systems engineer role at HPE. Okay, so we'll go with that first. So system, they're hiring for systems engineer to the location Bangalore, Karnataka. So Hewlett Packard Enterprise is the company here, and this is one of the high rated employee have rated that is a very good workspace. Okay, so thus you can have a look at yourself when you come to hear about a company. You can just see what the company is and what is the rating of the employees. They have provided for the workspace, and that's how you get to know. Than sticking into these 2 3 companies which is every time that you heard, which only take students freshers as a bulk. Rather than that, you can spread your knowledge, you can spread your career options through these companies as well. Okay, so they're hiring for system software engineer, bachelor's of master's degree in computer science, information systems or equivalent. Okay, not only one graduation type but many computer science related branches, whatever it is, you can apply to this. 0 to 2 years experience people can apply, and experience or understanding of software system designs, tools and languages is fine. Good analytical and problem solving skills is good. Understanding of design for software systems running on multiple platform types, understanding of basic testing code debugging procedures, good written and verbal communication skill. English and local language is what they want. Okay, so this is definitely applicable for many of the graduates, and there is no batch specification. There is no only one graduate specification. Computer science and related branches, who if you know the knowledge on all these knowledge and skills, then you can definitely apply. Knowledge and skills is very minimal, like most of the graduates will be having if you are trying to get into IT sector. Okay, so you can definitely apply to this role. This is a very good role, and you can click on to this apply now button, and you can log into the career section, give your personal information, upload your resume, then submit to it, and just sit back and until you hear from the company. Okay, so they may not contact you within a day or two, but they will contact you in a month, 2 months. That is completely depending upon company policy. They can contact you anywhere, anytime when they feel like. And my information section, my experience, if you're a fresher, give it 0, and application questions will be there, voluntary discourse, and review your application, then submit to it. Okay, so this is the application process for this. Next, we'll move on to the full stack job. So before moving on to full stack job, I have very interesting thing to discuss. Okay, that is, full stack job is actually a great thing to start. I mean, great career option for the freshers, because the exposure that you're getting, the CTC range that you're getting is very good enough. Okay, so in case we used to get a lot of queries like which job role is best for the freshers, and all. Every job role is very good only, but when taking the trend of the industry, full stack development is having a higher preference now. Okay, so if you are a graduate who doesn't know about what is full stack but would like to learn about it and start your career with that, with the industry, with all the hands-on experience as that you can get in industry, this is an opportunity for you. Skill Academy by Testquest is providing a full stack development career program. Okay, so what you get, okay, what is this program is all about is you will be getting 65 plus video lessons, 50 plus live sessions, 30 plus modules, 5 projects to build, 95 plus hours of live sessions, 2 months internship with certificate, lifetime access and support. So just see, you are getting so much through this single course, and that is very much related to industry knowledge. Okay, it's not like theoretically learning something. You are getting industrial kind of exposure and knowledge through this course. And skills you will be learning at Java and JavaScript, data structure and algorithms, HTML5 and CSS3, MERN, SQL and NoSQL databases, Spring Boot, microservices, cloud native, etc. Okay, so these are the skills that you will be gaining through a complete package on this. And projects that you'll be having is build static LinkedIn profile, build quiz application, build Quora clone, build Airbnb clone, capstone project. So this, you might have heard all of these projects, all of these applications, all of this website through many sources, and they are leading right now, right? So you are getting a hands-on experience how to build them, how to go with them, and all. So that is actually great. So this is very good opportunity for you. And you will be getting introduced to latest technologies such as HTML5, CSS3, JS5, Get, MongoDB, React, Redux, Node.js, okay? And features of this course is project lead curriculum, mentorship, that is one-to-one. Not you will be will not be put into a group and like that. You can interact with a person in person, and 24/7 systems will be there. You can move it at your pace, okay? The course will be moved at your own pace. Then 2 months internship and earn internship certificate is there. Capstone project, 1 to hackathon or sprints, and much more. Okay, so you're getting so much more through this project. I will leave the link in the description. Please have a look at it first and look all the demo kind of things and then decide it by yourself. Just don't take my words alone. Just don't take your neighbor's words alone. It's not like that. You should look into it. You should understand yourself and you should take it yourself. Okay. Our job is just to introduce the good opportunity that will help you a lot in many ways. Rest is within you. So here, what we can do from online study for you to help you is we have introduced this to you. And the other thing is we can provide 20% discount with our coupon code online22. So I'll show you how you have to go to it. So this is the website. The links will be there in the description. You can take it from there. And once you land on this, you need to sign up. And once you click on apply now, you can apply for the coupon code. Okay, so I'll show you how you have to go for it. So only 5 days left to it. You can click on to this enroll now, and you will have this apply coupon. And what you need to do is just paste online 20, that is the coupon code. Click on apply button. So you are saving, see, 7,000 rupees. So only you need to pay 28K, and we have provided the discounts for you. So you need to pay to this and get this course done and start your career successfully. Okay, so this is full stack course, and we have another course for you as well from Textbooks to Give. So this is a course for HTML. Okay, HTML introductory course for beginners. This is completely free for all the online study for your family. Okay, you can see this course is for 2,499, but you can just click onto this apply coupon and you can type the coupon OS free. So you will be getting complete discount. Okay, 100% discount with 0 rupees. You can buy this course, get the context, learn things, and start your, mastery in HTML. So beginner courses there, everything is covered in this. You can just have a look at the things in the curriculum, everything. Okay, so I hope you will be taking the link and looking it by yourself, and then you need to decide what to do and what not to do. Okay, so as I've already told, full stack development is flaming right now. We have an opening from full stack development as well from Mindtree. You can see this is it. Whoever is applicable to this can definitely apply to this role. So it is location Mangalore, and mandatory skill is C# is what they're asking. And what our course we discussed just before with related to that course, everything is in here. We can see all Node.js, React.js, everything is in here. So these are the skills required. So if you are having all those skills, then you can apply to this job role. Okay, so you can click on to this apply, then log in with the career section, upload your resume, give all your details and submit to it, and they'll respond in some time. Okay, so this is the full stack course from Mindtree, full stack job from Mindtree. And next we'll be having the data engineer internship opportunity from Cisco. Cisco is coming up with a lot of internship opportunity, which is very, very good. That experience will help you in many ways. Okay, so you can see here, currently pursuing a bachelor's of engineering degree in computer science or information science, 8.0 CGPA out of 10 or above, excellent written and verbal communication skill, fluent in English, savvy problem solving instincts and abilities, comfortable in fast paced and multidimensional environments, then work efficiently, diligent to deal, then software development you must know, possess knowledge and all these things. Okay, so if you are good at what they mentioned, then you can apply, and if all the eligibility criteria is met in you, we can definitely apply. You can say this requirement is for 2023 and 2024 pass outs. Okay, so you can apply to this at the time when you just are in the second phase of your academic year, then there will be opening for this and you will be starting your internship. Okay, so just click on to this apply, log into the career section, upload your resume, fill all the details in, and submit to it. You will be called by the company when they are starting the internship program. Okay, so that's from Cisco to discuss. And next we have opening from Honeywell as a software engineer one role. So this is applicable for many of the graduates. There is no specific graduates that they want. They just want someone from bachelor's degree in engineering or computer science. Okay, so it's a wider group, right? Yes, and we value what they want is understanding various software development life cycles, then analyzing skill, problem solving skill they want, management skill, collaboration, communication skill, ability to code in multiple languages. So if you know more than one languages to code, then definitely you can get into this role. Okay, so that is also one of the opening to discuss today. So all of the job roles that I have presented today for the freshers, the starting CTC is a greater than 4.55 range. Okay, that is a CTC provided. So in terms of CTC, in terms of company exposure, in terms of your career growth, all the openings are pretty much relevant for you. So please do have a look at it. Just take the link from description and apply to it. I'm also reminding regarding the course, full stack course, and the free course HTML that is provided. Have a look at it. In learning phase, it is very good to learn as much as possible, because industry, corporate industry, IT industry is all about skills. It's not about how much year you have been worked in that. It's not like that. If you have worked a lot of years, but still if you don't have any skills or knowledge on this, then you are not valued that much as a person who's a fresher who has a lot of knowledge and lot of skills. Okay, so that is very much important in this industry. So develop your skills with all the possible ways. We'll try to bring it up as much as possible we can. Okay, so I hope all the details are pretty much clear to you. Let me know if you have any doubts. Please put that in the comment section. We'll try to bring the contents related to that for sure. So until I be back again with another video, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.